everyone, and welcome back. Today, we are diving into the fascinating world of prompt engineering, a rapidly growing field with plenty of opportunities. It's a key aspect of generative AI and an essential topic for our course. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is a prompt? A prompt is any specific question or input you give to an AI system to get a desired response. For instance, when you ask Alexa, "How is the weather?" or Siri, "Will it rain today?" Those are prompts. The same goes for asking Google for a recipe or using ChatGPT to summarize an article, write a story, or DALL-E to create an image. In short, any instruction you give an AI to receive a response is a prompt. Now that we know what a prompt is, let's explore why prompt engineering is so important. Imagine you ask a friend, "Tell me the weather in New York." That's pretty vague. Are you asking about today, tomorrow, or next week? The question lacks context, but if you specify, "I am going to New York this Saturday, what's the weather going to be like?" Your friend can provide a much more accurate answer, possibly adding useful details like potential road closures. The takeaway is simple. Clear, specific questions yield better answers. This is the essence of prompt engineering, crafting well-defined queries to get accurate and relevant responses from AI. Let's see this in action. Suppose I am a healthcare professional and want to learn about AI. If I ask ChatGPT, "What is AI?" I will get a broad, generic response. But if I specify, "I am a healthcare professional, explain AI with relevant examples from my field," the response becomes more targeted, focusing on AI applications in healthcare like diagnostics and personalized medicine. Another example, if I ask, "What is solar energy?" I get a general overview. But by framing my prompt like, "Imagine you are a journalist summarizing renewable energy sources in under 500 words with bullet points," and then asking about solar energy's role from 2020 to 2030, the response becomes concise, bulleted, and specific to that time period. This is the power of prompt engineering. It helps you get customized, context-aware answers, and the best part, you do not need coding skill, just the art of crafting good prompts. To sum up, here are the best practices for prompt engineering. Clearly convey the desired response. Be explicit about what you need. Provide context or background information. Set the scene so the AI understands the context. Balance simplicity and complexity. Avoid making your prompts too simple or overly complex. Iterate and refine. Keep testing and tweaking your prompts until you get the best results. Prompt engineering is a powerful tool. It does have its challenges. Small changes in wording can lead to different results, and too many details in a prompt can confuse the AI. But with iterative testing and refinement, you can overcome these challenges. That's all for prompt engineering. Next, we will explore how to achieve even better results with AI through fine-tuning. See you in the next video.